Hi guys, welcome back. It's Thursday. Happy Thursday. I'm coming down with a cold, so excuse my raspy voice. Okay, so let's talk about Diddy fighting back against these liars. Diddy filed a 50 million defamation lawsuit against a man who claims to have video evidence against him. Diddy filed a lawsuit in New York against Courtney Burgess and his attorney Ariel Mitchell on yesterday, January 22nd. Courtney previously testified before a federal grand jury claiming to have evidence of alleged freak-off parties hosted by Diddy. During an appearance on NewsNation, Courtney claimed he had 11 flash drives that allegedly contained videos of 8 celebrities. 8 celebrities, he claims, 6 men and 2 women involved in freak-offs. Courtney alleged that 2 to 3 of the individuals were minors. Diddy's attorney said Courtney and Ariel Mitchell fabricated outrageous lies against Diddy so they could gain social media fame, enrich themselves, and strip Diddy of his reputation, livelihood, and right to a fair trial. The lawsuit also named Nexstar Media Inc., which owns NewsNation. Diddy said the intentionally false and defamatory statements have also poisoned the minds of the potential jury pool for his upcoming trial in May. Diddy is seeking no less than $50 million in punitive damages for the harm their false and defamatory statements have caused. He plans to file more lawsuits against his accusers to recoup the millions he has paid to his legal team. Diddy's attorney said in a statement, Sean Diddy Combs is taking a stand against the malicious falsehoods that have been fabricated and amplified by individuals seeking to profit at his expense. These defendants have willfully fabricated and disseminated outrageous lies with reckless disregard for the truth. Their falsehoods have poisoned public perception and contaminated the jury pool. This complaint should serve as a warning that such intentional falsehoods, which undermine Mr. Combs' right to a fair trial, will no longer be tolerated. You hear that, Courtney Burgess? Did you hear that, Lamisha the Scammer? And Chris Todd, you liars need to stop while you're ahead because Diddy is not playing with you liars anymore. Okay, so in a separate case, a federal judge in Michigan dismissed a $400 million lawsuit filed by a male prison inmate who accused Diddy of assault. According to court documents, the judge dismissed Derek Lee Cordello Smith's lawsuit with prejudice on Wednesday, January 22nd. In the original lawsuit, filed in June 2024, Derek claimed he met Diddy while working as a bartender in Detroit, Michigan in 1997. He said Diddy invited him to a sex party at a Holiday Inn. Derek claimed Diddy gave him a drink and told him that he had added a little something to it. Derek claimed he fell asleep and woke up to Diddy having relations with a woman. Derek alleged that Diddy looked at him and told him, I did this to you too. Remember that? I reported on that lawsuit and it was ridiculous. Check out that video because it was ridiculous. I remember he said Diddy placed his hand on his left buttocks. And it was just, check it out. It was a mess, okay? So, Diddy was not properly served with the summons, so he did not respond in a timely manner, which led to a $100 million default judgment for Derek. This week, a judge ruled that the lawsuit was barred by the statute of limitation. Derek claimed Diddy assaulted him in 1997. The judge said, accordingly, Derek's claim is barred by the applicable Michigan statute of limitations and must be dismissed with prejudice. The with prejudice means Derek cannot refile or bring the same claims against Diddy in the future. Diddy's request for sanctions, specifically an order prohibiting Derek from filing future cases against him, was denied. The judge noted, the court cautions Derek to refrain from duplicative, frivolous, or harassing filings, including the filing of additional lawsuits related to the allegations in this case, or the filing of unnecessary papers on the dockets of cases that have been dismissed. Failure to heed this warning will result in significant pre-filing restrictions being placed on Derek. The judge also declined Diddy's demand for monetary sanctions against Derek, but noted they could be awarded in the future based on Derek's actions. And let me tell you, Derek is currently serving 75 years in prison for multiple sexual offenses. Okay, so it's a mess. So yeah, Courtney is getting what he's been itching for, which is a $50 million defamation lawsuit. And the platform he was on is being sued as well. NewsNation is being sued as well. So to all these YouTubers who are giving these liars platforms to lie, you guys are not safe. And I do hope that they do come after all of them, because these people are making money off of lies. Not only they're paying these liars for interviews, but they're also getting a lot of money from the views. These people have no morals, no dignity. It's just anything for views. So I hope it was worth it. When they come after you guys, I hope the money that you receive from the views, I hope it can help you defend yourself in court, because they are coming after you guys. And I don't feel bad for you guys, because you guys, it was so obvious that these people are liars. But yet, they are welcome back over and over and over just for views. Making 5 Diddy videos every day for 2 to 3 hours, with people just lying over and over and over. Like some of you will earn your defamation lawsuit that's coming. You guys have earned it, because this is ridiculous. And these are not young people. They are not young. These are people in their 50s, late 40s, 50s, doing this mess. They all want attention. They want to be famous, since they couldn't be famous on their own. So they want to use people, situation to lie so they could get fame. It's crazy. Diddy is evil. Diddy will go down. But you guys don't need to be lying on Diddy with ridiculous stuff. Okay? Because you guys are only making it worse for the real victims. You guys are making it worse. You guys are making it really, really worse. Okay? These people cannot get attention any other way. So they're like, okay, let me jump on this internet. Let me just lie and become infamous. I am so sick of some of you. I'm sick of you. You liars, you attention seekers. I'm sick of you. Anyway, you guys, what are your thoughts? Comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.